God, that is a long note. 12, that's a 12-second note? What the fuck? When the deaf person tries to join the conversation.
Got other hand got mac and cheese in it.
Yeah, I can't relate to that, not gonna lie.
I'm telling you what. Come on. Back in, come on. Everybody, all the kids in class would be like, I want to be an astronaut when I grow up. I want to be a engineer when I grow up. You like this? Before I consume you.
It took me seconds.
Look in the top right corner of your screen right now. Look in the top right corner of the screen. And you tell me how I can restock everything.
Red was going through it, what the hell? I was playing Elden Ring. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean... Video editing is such a tedious thing.
Got my little ice skates. Shoulder check. Buddy, there is no...
Oh, missed the chair.
There's one in each hand. Just double hand. Bobby worm!
And heavily filter it. That's way too wet sounding. Yeah, like a lot of the sounds he makes, I could probably turn into like a drum kit.
You let me up?
Oh wow, yeah.